Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in Sussex and looking forward to showing you around this multi-purpose family room. So this beautiful building is our pre-designed kite. It's 5.4 metres wide, 3.7 metres deep with that full glass front. The ground very sloping here. You can see how much, if I come around this angle, you kind of get to see it slightly better. So what we worked with this path was actually to offset the doors. So you can see there, maybe if I go a bit closer, you've got one window to the left and then three to the right. So those doors are offset. Lots more landscaping going to happen by a local contractor with some paths, but this still, because of the slope of the ground, we know this is going to be the best end result for the client. There's no additional charge from our pre-design to actually make that happen with the doors offset. We're just moving the windows and doors around. Anthracite on the outside with our V200 upgrade there, and then you've got the MTX to the front and the left with the cement board right. And the rear. We've got the climate control unit sitting out the front in this aspect. Again, with the design that's going to happen with the landscaping, that would all get covered up, but it does work really nicely. You're probably very familiar now with my videos and the doors here. So they're aluminium doors because we go to double doors. We always go to aluminium to stop the summer to winter movement that you may well get from UPVC. They're a much more stable door in all environments, so you'd never get the issues with locking, and it gives you a lovely 1.7 metre opening. As I said, this building is our 3.7 deep. It's the deepest we go with our pre-designs as standard. We do a couple of non-standard pre-designs, but it does work really well, and what a great space. So the client's using this around about 4 days a week. He's working from here, and look at the small space that's taking up for a really good office out of the bedroom into this space, using it. Actually said he was watching a little bit of the Olympics whilst working the other day. It works really well. And then to the family room part of it. So a nice pool table fitted in here, and then running around to the darts board and a whiteboard, and just for all the family fun. Still got lots of things they want to do in here. They're looking to put a bar in that kind of back corner there, 2 bar chairs already, may get 2 or 3 more, and run a bar along that back wall there so they can then see the TV nicely. The pool table's getting used all the time. Family friends are coming over, the kids' friends are coming over, and they're just really enjoying the space. Once all the landscaping's done and the bar's finished, this is going to be an absolutely beautiful project. The building is on a concrete base in this aspect, done by our good friends, contractors, Tom Manville. The reason is they've got a vermin issue around here, didn't want the steel and timber frame base, so we've done a concrete base with an airflow with a vermin protection, something we do for a few clients for different reasons, and it does get around that issue. So I really like the layout of this room. The offset doors I think work really well, particularly when you've got a pool table in this element, but just also technically for how you're going to enter this room. So there you go, that's one of our kite pre-designs. 3.7 deep. You can see that side window there. Sorry, the sun's out. We're not going to complain too much about it. But you've got the window in the side with the fan light, MTX to that side, and just a nice big space. A really lovely proportioned room, I've got to say. The V200 inside, clad in, as well as the outside. Internet, lighting, heating, and climate control all installed by us and fully completed. Hope that building's of interest to you. Feel free to give us a call, and please like, subscribe, share what you do. And if you've got the idea of a perfect garden room for you, please do let us know. Thank you.